As technology shifts and business requirements change, new data solutions will need to be implemented. United Airlines has found deploying a network of microservices has provided high-value solutions to each area of deployment. These microservices are connected utilizing a gateway API and an array of ETL services to extract and cleanse the data. Looking to expand on these services, United Airlines has chosen to incorporate an Apache Kafka solution into their EDM. Utilizing best practices, we will try to initiate first level of deployment with the Apache Kafka system, focused on identifying customer behavior. Utilizing extract, transformation, and loading techniques and tools, we will extract the data from the Gateway API into a curated layer for users to effectively utilize within the R-Shiny and Power BI environments. The data extracted from the API will be brought into the data lake, and from at that point, it will be cleansed one more time into the curated layer that will power the analytical environments. One highlight here is the fact that our R environment has the capacity to send information back, potentially providing the ability to have real-time analytics incorporated to the data flow. Stakeholders have established a need to be able to identify the customer relationship between their loyalty utilization, campaign interaction, and flight acquisition. They would like to be able to view how these various things interact. We have decided to utilize a galaxy schema as it expands on Kimball's original star schema by providing a connection point between the dimensionary items. The deployment of facts and dimensions will be separated into 3 waves of deployment to keep requirements focused and to allow for in-tandem development of governance policies. To complete the roadmap above in an estimated 24 weeks, United Airlines will need to dedicate a minimum of 2 members. Having 1 member of the team dedicated to discovery and validation of business requirements will allow for a developer to streamline the development of each wave. Each wave will have a goal of 6 weeks to identify business requirements, develop and validate the current focal point of the dimensional model. The last week of each wave and the first week of the following wave will be used to incorporate the current standings of the model within the Power BI environment to develop a curated data mart. Once the relational model is established, the final week will be used to deploy the R-Shiny solution to be utilized to provide high-level analytics to users. Power BI has a cost structure of $20 per month per user, while also offering a per capacity option, which is a $4,995 a month fee. This feature integrates with Azure for scalability, but also requires a Power BI license for the publishing of content. The R environment has a cost structure of $4,975 a month and allows for 5 named users to be able to access the environment per year. This service provides the activation of 1 server to be utilized within the organization. With this solution, we hope to develop a tool or set of tools rather that will allow for multiple areas to find value. With this solution, we hope to identify customer behavior, in particular with the loyalty program, how customer interaction with our ad campaigns reflects on sales, and at the end of the day, the flights themselves and whether or not the flight patterns have anything to carry to our customer patterns as well. On top of that, potentially looking at any customer acquisitional process issues. Is there a bottleneck in our process that's causing customers to go to somewhere else? Are we not competitive in a certain capacity? And where is that capacity? And then lastly, identifying new revenue streams, looking to see if potentially offering A new curated loyalty program could potentially be a no because we've identified a certain customer base we would like to activate or act on. With these tools that we're developing today between the Power BI environment and the R Shiny environment, I hope that we are able to establish a foundation for our users to really drive forward the customer relational data model that we're developing here. This is a list of references that I utilized to produce the presentation today. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your afternoon.